Can somebody get inside?
They closed that down. That's good.
You good?
I'll call it. That was like 15 feet. I'll suppress for you.
One on that right container. You see the right container?
Yeah, right there.
Yep, right
I'll
there.
suppress him. You want to move up?
Go now. You want to push that building?
Yeah.
Going.
Here, I want to cover. Let's move up together, okay? All right, go ahead. Yeah.
Is that light machine gun?
Yeah.
Alright. Made sure. I was like, I don't sound like light machine gun. Scared the shit out of me. I heard you shit at the top. I was like, I'm not popping up. If he moves up, I'm going to call that hit.
I would have shot him, except you were right in the way when there was like final seconds, so I don't want to be unsportsmanlike. No, I'm keeping my burst. You heard me. I was like, brr,
Yeah, no,
brr,
that's good. No, I was like, I was sitting here like, what the
yeah. It's actually, when I'm aiming for loud stuff, like, you know, it's not, you hear more of the...
It's quiet. It's really nice. Yeah, that's
that was me.
in the head.
That's all I had, sorry.
My pistol ran out of gas, so I was just running up here to try to draw fire. Were you the one I got out over here?
I got a headshot. Somebody had a headshot on me, yeah. I popped out.
I didn't see your hands. I'm going to go right
No, that was okay. Yeah, I was actually getting fired from the other way.
Oh, okay, good.
And I didn't want.
That's fucking...
Good game though, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, good game.
Ja. Ja. Inside is out. Inside is out. I took him out.
Oh, fuck. This is not the way.
Bang. George is fine in here.
Yeah. I mean, I'm bored. I want to push. Oh, right there, right there. Right there on the left side. You're 12. The white barrel.
He's down. He's down.
Oh, no, I'm not going to take a heartbeat. Okay, it's out. I'm fogging a little bit, so it's kind of hard for me to see a little. James, how many of you guys are up there?
So I'll give cover. How about Bobby and I go to these 5 barrels right here? That's enough cover for both of us.
Okay.
And then you head over to where Jot is. Is that? Okay. Like a plan?
I'll cover the left line. Ready?
Let me actually, can you give some cover first? Okay. At the Cessna area?
Sure.
Towards the Cessna?
Where do you want me to shoot for cover fire?
To the Cessna.
Chin up?
All right, yeah, 3. No, the Cessna.
Oh, guy moving. Left. He's down.
Did he get Ja? Did he get Ja?
No, he didn't. No, he
didn't. Oh, dude, nice. Okay, cover on the Cessna.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go. Take. Incoming, stay down, incoming. Same guy. Same guy. You're good. He's in the Chinook. Okay. Yep. You're fine. Just stay low. He trained on me. Left. Okay, let go. There's another guy behind his white canister. Whoa. Okay. His jaw to the left. I think he got hit. He did? Yeah. All right, I'm going to move to the to that spot then so I can give you cover. Oh, shoot him. Okay, can't get through these branches. Mo, get ready to move. To Chinook. Yeah, I'm coming with you. I'm moving to your location spot. Can you guys cover? Guys, up. Give me some cover towards the Chinook. 5 seconds. To the Chinook, yep. Left window. 3. On you. Okay.
Who are you? I don't know what I'm doing.
You're coming with me. Okay.
There's one under there though.
Underneath?
Yeah,
well,
right under.
I took out one. All right, we only got a couple.
This is my last mag.
All right. Is there a guy inside there, do you know? There's somebody inside?
It's right under. I took 2 out on the inside, but there's one right under.
All right, listen, 2 of you guys. Oh, crap.
Where at?
Oh, he made it in. All right, I'm getting the grenade ready. Can you guys give me cover in there?
I'll go. Let me get by.
I'll give you cover. 3, 2, 1. Cover, go.
Under. Right in front.
We got a sniper.
I'm out. Cover knife.
Frag out, no. He's dead.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Dude, you're definitely.
I shot you right as you shot me. Good job. Yeah, but hey, guys, if he threw a grenade, man.
The ref came in here and said it was good.
Yeah, it exploded right there.
Yeah, but ref said he was behind cover, so.
Yeah, we were both up against
He came in
Oh,
here.
it's 2 of y'all!
Yeah.
Good play, fellas.
Who's under?
What?
Who's under?
Good play, bro. God damn it.
Good job.
I needed that. I didn't know what to do.
Good job, Mom. Nice. Chris?
That was still fun. Yeah.